Hi guys, it's me Bradley and I'm going to be opening one pack and Finley's got a pack. Finley, show him what you got. Finley, what did you get? Don't show him that card there at the bottom. Show him. Show him, Finn. Show him. So Finley got. It's still got this pack left.
Alright, but don't keep her waiting.
So yeah, if you don't know what they are, they're football packs. Don't show them yet, Finn.
Freestyle rap reggae.
Yes, you can.
Oh yeah, he's just second cue.
Ready to pose it, right, look at.
So, anywho, we are probably going to
I was just going to use. And you got the Arsenal badge.
You go.
First, you can't. So, the cards are, star players cards, club cards press, one in one packet, man of the match, one in two packets, double card, duo cards, one in 4 packs, 100 clubs cards, 101 in 31 packets, limited edition, gold, one in 400 packets, silver 1 in 200 packets, bronze 1 in 80 packets, 400 cards and 470 cards. What did I get? Put him down like this. That's more better.
Hey, Jimmy. Merry Christmas, buddy.
I got this card.
Lincoln. Santa's gonna bring you a good home, buddy.
Yeah, I've just shaved him. Right, so I got Matt Ricky. What's this? I got Ibra Philip, Jesus Navas, Morales, Alex Song. Put it down like this.
She's a Christmas sweater? I don't know.
Nancy Cardo, Albert Petrano, Classic, John Cabano, and man of the match, Dimitri Payet. Oh my God.
Reverend Mason.
So Finn.
What are you doing here?
Finn, give me your card so we can show them again. So
Love you.
What's going on?
So yeah guys, that's the pack opening. If you want to win some of these cards,
Weird intervention.
all of these cards might be gone to someone. If you want to see it, have one, subscribe, and stuff. So yeah, see you later. Bye.
You already admitted that you used me as a